Chicago, USA, the birthplace of the skyscraper. Chicago is renowned as the birthplace of the skyscraper, boasting a skyline that showcases the evolution of modern architecture. The city's architectural journey began with the Home Insurance Building, completed in 1885, which is considered the world's first skyscraper. This innovation paved the way for future developments, making Chicago a hub for architectural experimentation. One of the city's most iconic buildings is the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower. Standing at 1,450 feet, it was the world's tallest building for 25 years. The skydeck offers breathtaking views of the city and beyond, providing a unique perspective on Chicago's architectural achievements. Chicago's architectural gems aren't limited to its skyscrapers. The city is home to numerous landmarks designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, such as the Roby House and the Unity Temple. These structures exemplify Wright's Prairie School style, characterized by horizontal lines, flat roofs, and integration with the surrounding landscape. Chicago's architectural diversity and innovation make it a must-visit destination for design enthusiasts.